Holy, my name is Shadowbase09, and today we're playing a Jigsaw, or the Saw game. I like to call it Jigsaw because I've seen all the Jigsaws. So, let's get right into it, shall we? Oh, woo. Okay, let's get this show on the road. I see a chest. Can I get the chest? Credits, I can't push. That's a lot of credits, okay. What do I have to do? The run push is a key. So the run push, you start the, okay. Go then. Oh. Let me know, let me know if you guys want me to do a two-part, or a playlist or something, down in the comments. Alright, let's do this, shall we? Holy fuck. I'm not reading all that. Sorry guys, but I'm not reading all that. I'm sorry, but I am not. There's no way in hell. Okay. Let's find a way out of here. Power switch. Where would the power switch? Oh, and if you guys want me to see more horror maps and stuff, let me know in the comments below. But let's see if we can find a switch, shall we? Okay, we can, I think, don't know, maybe, oh, I see a chest, button, key, I see another, I see another, oh, no, okay, let's see what this does. It's gonna be a key, okay, boop, hey, would you look at that, alright, we got another one, anything, the only Saw game or you playing or any horror game, you always have to look in the chest. Alright, nothing that one, nothing that one, nothing that one. Gucci. Alright. Let's see what's behind our number one. We got stairs. Ouch! I guess we got stairs. Where do the stairs lead up to? Another fucking, like a chest. What do we got in the chest? Absolutely nothing. Well, it was nothing. Hup! Ooh, that's a shot. Okay. The ladder. Leave it. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. That hurts like hell. Okay. Let's set our spawn point. Let's go out here. Ooh, that was close. Okay. Then, what I'm guessing is that we need put the key to activate. Okay, so we have to do that. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Oh, that's blood. Something over here. We got a stone axe and healing. Can I have this? Thank you. Can I also have this? Yeah, this. Thank you. Yep, this. What's in here? I can't get in this because that's a stupid cup. I'm just gonna move that. What's in here? We got a book. What's in the book? Oh shit. Okay. I'll let you guys read that real fast. Alright. On to the next one. So we get a potion and we get a book. Or next. In here. Oh! Oh! Hi! Ah! Oh, I'm dead. Shoot. And would you look at that? We're just. Ouch! I forgot that was a trap. Okay. I'm guessing this. Oh, I'm so fucking lucky. I'm guessing that was the potions for. Is that just still roaming around? In this room. Yep, it's up there. Can you die? Thank you. Where are you going, my dude? Look, another one. Sweet. Okay, what's in here? We got the key. Yes. Wait, anything else in this room? I don't think so. Let's go. Alright. Boom. Boom. Oops. Boom. Oh. Oh, that don't feel so good. Alright. Alright, now where are we? Don't like this. What do we have to do? We have to go back and forth? Find... Okay, so... We have to find... some way to get out. Stone axe... Where would... Okay, hang on, let me read this. You best some... Just kidding. Find the key inside the room. Climb to the vents to escape them. Okay, so we're trying to find a key. But where would a key be? Oh, here it is. I'm stupid. If you guys want to see more, let me know. Narrowly in that way. Let's go this way first. That's blocked off. What is this? Wait, what does the sign say? Okay. So let's go this way, shall we? I hear another portal. Okay. Escape vent. What do we got here? Oh. Ow. YOLO! Ow. 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 And I died. Game over. Oh, seriously? I think not, motherfucker. Sick of family swearing. I know I'm not supposed to swear, but screw it. Alright, let's try that again, shall we? Boom. Yada 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 yada. Boom. I am blind and I'm slow. Alright, let's try this again. What I'm guessing is... Can we... Ouch. No, we cannot. Okay. I'm gonna use these. Can I do... Aha, I can. I figured out your way, Jigsaw. Haha, fuck you. Alright. It's a trap. I should probably read that. Okay. Your key to death. Do I see another way to get out of here? I don't want to die. Screw it. Yep. Game over. Well then. I guess we're stuck in here, I guess. Alright everyone, that was Jigsaw, or Saw, the game. If you guys liked this video, comment down below and give this video a smash. If this is the first time you're watching me, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification bells. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.